Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of Arduino Nano and we're going to build our very first project blinking an LED. But here's the cool part. We won't be using any physical components. Instead, we'll simulate everything in Wokwi, a free online Arduino simulator. If you're a beginner, this is the perfect way to test and learn Arduino programming without needing hardware. So let's get started. Before we jump into the coding, let's quickly talk about the Arduino Nano. The Arduino Nano is a small but powerful microcontroller board based on the ATmega 328P chip. It's compact, making it great for DIY electronics, robotics and IoT projects. Here are some key features. 14 digital pins, 6 of which support PWM, 8 analog input pins for sensors, mini USB interface for programming, runs on 5 volts power. It works just like the Arduino Uno but in a smaller form factor, making it perfect for compact projects. Now, to build our LED blink project, here's what we need. An Arduino Nano, which we'll use in Wokwi, an LED, any color will work, a 220 ohm resistor to limit current to the LED, some wires and a breadboard which Wokwi provides virtually. And of course, we'll need the Arduino IDE if you are planning to upload this to real hardware later. Alright, now let's jump into Wokwi and build our circuit. First, open your browser and go to wokwi.com. Click on Start a new project and select Arduino Nano. Next, we need to add our components. Drag an Arduino Nano onto the workspace. Drag an LED and place it next to the Arduino. Finally, add a 220 ohm resistor to protect the LED. Now let's make the connections. Connect the LED's longer leg, anode, to pin D13 on the Nano. Connect the shorter leg cathode to the resistor. The other end of the resistor goes to ground, and that's it. Our circuit is ready to go. Now that our circuit is set up, let's write the code to make the LED blink. In Wokwi, open the code editor and type the following program. Let me quickly explain what this code does. In the setup function, we configure the built-in LED pin 13 as an output using pinMode. In the loop function, we turn the LED on using digitalWrite LED built-in high. Then we add a 1 second delay using delay 1000. Next, we turn the LED OFF and add another delay. This process keeps repeating forever. Now let's click Start Simulation and watch the LED blink in Wokwi. Alright, before we wrap up, let's talk about some common issues you might face. If Wokwi simulation doesn't work, check your wiring, ensure the LED and resistor are correctly connected. Wrong pin number, make sure the LED is connected to D13. If you're uploading this to a real Arduino Nano, if the board isn't recognized, you may need to install the CH340 driver. If you get a bootloader error, go to Tools, Processor, select ATmega 328P old bootloader. These quick fixes should help you get your project up and running. The best part about Wokwi is that you can save and share your simulation. Simply click Save and Share, copy the Wokwi link and send it to your friends or include it in your project documentation. If you want to try this exact simulation, I've added the Wokwi link in the description so you can run it right away. And that's it. We've successfully simulated an Arduino Nano LED Blink project in Wokwi. We learned about Arduino Nano and its features. We built a simple LED circuit in Wokwi. We wrote and explained Arduino code step by step. And we ran the simulation without any real hardware. Now it's your turn. Try this project in Wokwi and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more Arduino tutorials, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. In the next episode, we'll explore how to control multiple LEDs with Arduino Nano. Stay tuned.